My subscribers, new subscribers and viewers, welcome. Thank you guys for supporting the big up on yourself. Why no sir, people cake a go in a oven and cake a come out a oven, boutique set up and it a hot up and a bunny people them. Yeah. So people. This year war worse. Every year it get worse. Yeah. Me thought a cake war, but it look like say some kind of spiritual warfare a go on. Yeah. Spiritual warfare, me a go say. Cause prophet. Yeah. The grease can corner come out for the woman. Come out for 99. The grease can corner. Fake prophets, we are going to call them. Because by your fruit we shall know you. The Bible says, we know the Bible over here, although we fallen from grace and then they call until we say, if we come back. I just celebrity them a prophet, I see them now. See ordinary people like we, little platform, wanna have no subscriber upon him once, so they now call we. And them I call the big platform them and the celebrity them. So we call them, that's why we call them false prophet, because they not see nothing. Them only watch television, all this television vision them I see. And YouTube and Taki vision and Facebook vision. And them the vision them I watch, And what them I talk what they see on TV, what they see on these apps. I that me say. I mean take it back. So people cupcake fairy, the tea lady I fly around and I peep in I people then kitchen. No sir. She a peep like peeping Tom. She had the one over the camp. Talk like boss. Them a peeping at the lady kitchen. And that me see them a do. So people, me see, when me peep over the lady fake page, she put out post. She take the lady cake and put up, say, careful of coloring pudding, food poisoning going around. And then one of the post, she must have post over the room, the lab place there, saying, I remember when that woman used to tell me putting dye inside my sorrel cake, and she used to throw her shades talking about my sorrel cake. Now look at her. That's pure dye. One whole heap too. That's not even the entire cake is dye base. Nah. So, me I go say, why she said strawberry don't bleed like that way. So she turned like watchman over there, watch the lady kitchen. Cause she not have no, me no see she put out nothing. Me no see her in her kitchen a bake. She just a watch everybody else's kitchen. It look like yeah. Who remember one year when she did put out one post similar to say sorrel and cranberry can affect your kidneys. Who remember that? Me remember. Yeah. So people, these two prophets, so me not know prophet or I'm a prophet or whatever I say. I mean, the grease can them. That's what me say, grease can corner. So the one run out to defend the first one what they go for the lady say she get vision. Yeah. And she say the lady is a good prophet. She can't see things. She did call spice. She did tell spice. And she said even prophesy a few days before see her get in her trouble. But this woman said she used to love the lady and she'll go down in the past about where she coming from and all this. But listening to the message, I'm very uncomfortable listening to them because I see some kind of like for them hate the lady. Yeah. It don't sit well with me because she even said something about if she have one scarf over the door and she said if you draw your scarf and them sort of something that make me feel funny. Come here think say it sound like say you have a vendetta, you want to bring somebody down. And that's what I'm getting from it because the lady never come out, 99 never come out and say she was on top. She always talk about her humble beginnings. So what are you guys trying to say or do? I don't get it. Me no get it. Me really no get it. But me gonna make one listen to one little bit what this woman have to say. And also, me gonna make one listen. Me no normally play them people your voice over here. But me want to listen to Lorraine too. Because she say something. Say the lady shouldn't cuss off the prophet and so on. But she didn't cuss off Sean Miller in the worst way. Yeah. When Carl Miller was talking about peace, she come out and she tell him something. Me want to listen to it because them are people are hypocrite. And me want to listen to the prophet. So, hold on a little bit there.
Baga Sean Miller, false prophet Sean Miller, cult Sean Miller. Your mama will have adapt you out and she baga. Your mama will never know if to take care of you. Your mama, your papa will never take care of you if dash you out in a bush. And then baga. Go look for your mama will careless when go give a birth to a dog. And let it out, because dog give them people like that. Uncle dog walk over them people like that. Dirty false prophet. Nasty dirty man. Drunk rough. I will find your church in a Canada and make your member them know say you're a false prophet. Nothing about you for God. You line up with cult. You're a germs. Nasty Sean Miller. I say your name? False prophet Sean Miller. Dirty Sean Miller, well, your mama reject you. Because she know who you're going to be. Your germs, yo. Your piece of dog shit, yo. Don't call me name in your false prophet mode. Don't call me name in your cult mode. God want destroy Unuh. Unuh are wicked. You nastiness, yo. Me say, me look for my sister, me say, you don't know Donna, my Donna. Because I saw me classify Donna. What one month thing? Me say, my Donna. The prophet, because Donna no fool. Say, oh, the woman to go on her bed, go sleep. Donna say, what one Jennifer? Donna say, what the woman a do up them the time of night then? No, me want to talk to my spiritual people. Me have to get up to do this. What my spiritual people them there? What my prayer warrior them there? What my people them when know God there? What my people them when know say him call you at the 12 o'clock and at the 3 o'clock? When God call you some bad hours, God call you. God no call you at the time. When an early time, because you're too distracted. God is going to call you. And when God give prophecy, at the time then when you're in your deep sleep, He will wake you up out of the bed there. So when me hear Donna say that, I
wanna hear hypocrite. Lorraine, hypocrite. Yeah, she can't go on like say the lady shouldn't cost. She said the lady should cost the profit. So what you doing, Sean Miller? You cost him the worst ways. And then you want to come out say people shouldn't do this and people shouldn't do that. You're a blasted hypocrite, me I go say. Yeah. And as for the other lady, what come out, we can't see what we know do. We no want to build on a brand and build on a platform. And we no come out this time of the year. Cake season. Why? All year we never come. We no wait till cake season. So only cake season gotta talk to people. Yeah. We no not look pan little platform or just big platform we no look pan. And listening to this lady make me feel uncomfortable when she talk about that scarf there over the door. And she draw your scarf. Like say, me no know. Me just find that uncomfortable because if you was an ex-planker, you did love the lady so much and she come out and behave badly, you'd have pray and say, I reach out to her and say, me never like how you did go on and so on. You never love, you only come out if you try and pull her down and see if you can get allies by your side. And that me see. And your name Brown too. So I don't know if you related to that everyone there over the camp. Yeah. Yeah. So you gotta look allies and look close and look all kind of stout and things because all me see it. You know, not get no views over there and the couple video you do you get only per views. So I that too no I do. We see the play. Yeah. And we no can't preach nothing tell we cause we know things too. We all grew up in a church and used to go to church and the Bible said by your fruit we shall know. And fruit no look good to me, then look rotten. Because the behavior what me see when I display, me no feel nothing. Me feel some very argumentative and a cuss and I try to drag people and tear people down, can't stand to see people rise to the top. Not like that. And that me I go say, I mean take it back. Anyway, fireman don't talk and she's out.